Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to discuss how we can insert multiple rows in a table by using insert into command. For that we have insert all command there in SQL. Let us see how we can use that insert all. So the syntax for insert all command is insert, then all, then into the name of the table, then values to be inserted by this values keyword, and here you will be mentioning the values for the different columns present there in this student table. So here this name is for Rajesh is for the name column, then the roll number, then the gender, and then the marks, and then you will be writing again into student the same table and the values, and then the values for the next row, and in the same way you will be writing the same into the name of the table and the values keyword again for the every row you want to insert in the table student, and at the end you will be writing this statement, that is select star from dual. You may also use here any another table, but here I am using this dual, and the purpose is that it will be returning only one value, and based upon the number of values that this select command will be returning, based upon that the number of rows will be entered in this student table. So if this select command will be returning only single value, then it will be entering these rows only once in that table. If the value returned is 2, that is there are 2 rows returned from this select star dual command, then it will be entering every row in this student table 2 times, and so on. So let us see how it will be doing with the single value return from this select command. Okay. So now let us see what is there in this table. So let's view the data. Now you can see that all those 4 rows have been inserted in this table. So let's try the different number of rows for the select statement. So let us now consider this table as student, where we will be having the 4 rows present in this table. So let us consider those 4 rows. So now we have a total 4 rows returned from this table student. So let us see what will be happening with this insert all command. Now see, total 16 rows are inserted. So based upon that, based upon the values of based upon the number of rows that are returned from this select, we are having multiplied by the rows there. Okay, so now you can see again the rows present there. Yes. Now you can see these are the rows inserted in the table, and see how many times each row is inserted. Okay, so that depends basically on the select command that is after that insert all. Okay, so in this way you can insert multiple rows in a table by using insert all. Okay, thank you.